All right, y'all ready to harvest some tomatoes? All right. Well, how you doing today? We're harvesting our tomatoes. It is March 26th, and a lot of them are starting to go bad. We really don't eat that much tomatoes, so we're gonna go ahead and pick them now. I'm gonna try to start my dry farming watermelon. Just collected some soil from the ditch, some leaves as mulch, some loomy, sandy loam, and we need this row cleared out. So today we'll be planting the Jubilee watermelon. All right, so we gotta harvest the tomatoes. So Zahara, all right, so get the bin and let's see how fast you can pick them.
Tomatoes, but not.
Yeah, all the good ones. It can be green or little red, not the bad ones.
That's a good one. I just drop it. I think that bad one.
Let me see.
That one hidden.
Yeah, some bad one. Let me get another one.
I think.
We're only gonna keep the good ones. We'll use these as seeds. Mike can give it away. Alright, that's a nice one. We gotta teach you how to walk around.
Nope.
Bad. Yeah, a lot of them are bad, so. Alright, try to get the green ones. But still, it's not completely soft.
Oh. Is that bad?
No, that's good. So yeah, get the other ones.
Stop with my peanut.
Zahara, you want help? Alright, let's see if we can fill it up.
That big one.
Yeah.
We have so many.
Alright, it's getting close to the end. You did a pretty good job. That one is a little bit. Lost a lot. Alright, a lot of them still turn red. Yeah, that one is bad. Alright, so we're about finished. And that's the tomato harvest. We did get a late start, but good harvest. We have given away a lot of them. We still have some yellow ones over here. We get the yellow ones by the gate. Over here. Yes. How do we get it? It's okay. Some more. We're gonna have to leave them.
That one tomato.
Yeah. See if we can get it. All right, so that's how we did on tomatoes. I think we planted about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 10 to 12 plants.
I didn't
Some
know
of
how
them
many
died.
tomatoes.
Oh, that's good. All right.
Why?
Yeah, that's the most. Well, we don't eat that much, so that's a lot for us.